Today we're going to be doing a transmission fluid change on a MasterCraft direct drive boat. This is a ProStar 209, very similar to any other direct drive boat. Engine, looking at it, the front of the engine is on the right hand side going to the front of the boat, and the rear of the engine hooks up to the direct drive. We're pulling the transmission fluid out through this little line hooked into the top of the transmission, and normally you'd use a drill pump. We're using a Vampire pump. You can use either one. Vampire pump's a little bit slower, but a little more accurate on how much you're taking out. I like to measure how much I'm taking out to put in the same amount. On this one, it takes dexron 3. Look up per your owner's manual what it takes exactly. And this one's a little less than 2 quarts. Thanks for watching.